So at 10:30 here in New York, there is a fascinating story developing right now in the Middle East, specifically in the country of Lebanon. There are numerous reports moments ago that claim hundreds of Hezbollah members have been seriously injured after the pagers they were using to communicate exploded. Mike Tobin's got more from Tel Aviv to try and tie this together. What do you got now, Mike? Hello.
Well, this is the kind of thing, Bill, that Israel will never confirm, certainly not in the early stages of it. But it's this remarkable development out of Lebanon where as many as 1,000 Hezbollah fighters have suddenly been injured rather seriously. When what we've seen through some of the security video that's coming out so far, the pagers that they were wearing suddenly play an audio message and then explode. Resulting in serious injury. And we're talking again, Reuters news agency is saying that as many as 1,000 people were injured. So that creates this scene where you've got all of the ambulances scrambling all over Beirut and places south of Beirut to try to deal with the overwhelming number of injured that they have right now. These pagers, apparently, according to 3 different security sources who were speaking to the Reuters news agency, were the latest wave of pagers that these Hezbollah operatives were getting, with the belief that this was secure communication, that Israel couldn't tap into whatever they were saying and give up some information. So they were carrying these pagers, apparently, and something came out where you heard this audio signal came out and all of the pagers detonated all at once, which is really a remarkable development, which would minimize collateral damage. It doesn't mean that there is no collateral damage. We're hearing some reports that the Iranian ambassador to Lebanon, an individual named Mojtaba Amani, was among the injured. So you have a very chaotic and dramatic development in Lebanon right now with as many as 1,000 Hezbollah fighters injured, Bill.
So thank you, Mike, for that. Just stand by 1 second. Dana, this is really an intriguing story.
I wanted to ask Mike a question, if you're still there, Mike. Was the ambassador holding one of these pages? Was it on his person?
I don't have that information, but as it stands to reason, you could be standing near someone who had one of these small explosions, presumably on their waist, and be injured by it as well.
And
but
so
I don't have confirmation
what's interesting
on that,
is this connection, right, between Iran and Hezbollah.
Well, exactly. I mean, Hezbollah is the forward deployed army for Iran. It has always been supported by Iran. So presumably they would have contact with each other, whoever the operative is.
And there's a lot of video coming out on social media right now. We're going to be judicious in how we air that because some of it is graphic.
Yep.
So stand by. The hospitals say they're just being overwhelmed throughout the country, especially in the capital city of Beirut. So this is something to watch there. Mike, thank you. Get back on it, and we'll get back to you momentarily in Tel Aviv. Thank you, Mike.